of missing out. The joy of missing out is when you release the expectations of constantly keeping up with the Joneses. We'll be using visualization and affirmations to manifest joy, replacing the fear of missing out with radical authenticity and self-compassion.
This is a meditation to manifest the joy of missing out. We have been programmed in this society to go, go, go and do. We fear not doing enough within our work. We fear that it may result in failure, that it may result in not getting the promotion. We fear not hanging out with our friends all the time. Even when it comes to social media, FOMO is something that is becoming more and more present in our everyday life. Fear, comparison, jealousy, or straight up burnout are things that we see all the time. In this meditation, we will be manifesting the simple joy of missing out, the simple joy of taking a break when you truly need it. We will also be really tuning on into the importance of why it is that sometimes taking a break, missing out, and stepping back is the most honest and real true thing we can do for ourselves. Choosing joy over fear. So let's go ahead and come into a comfortable seated position or begin to lie on down. We're going to go ahead and tune on into our breath work. So go ahead and take a nice big deep inhale into your body. And exhale, sigh out, let go. Take a nice big deep inhale into the body. And exhale, sigh it out, release, let it go. Last big deep inhale. And exhale, release, let go, sigh out. Release the to-do list, release the worries or cares. Release the outside world. And go ahead, inhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2 counts. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to continue inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 2, exhaling for 6. 2 more times. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just breathe naturally, breathing in. Exhale, letting it go. Begin to visualize the world around you stopping, freezing. Allow the world around you to pause. And with that, expectations have paused. Nothing needs to be attended to. There's no Wi-Fi, no news, no media. Everything has frozen in time. Breathe into this stillness and exhale. Breathe into this stillness and exhale. Feel the stillness encapsulate your body And do not fear the fact that time for this moment has frozen. And now you can tune out all outside noise and simply focus on you. Notice your breathing. Notice how this moment of pause resonates with you. How do you feel? And take a moment to ask yourself, what do you feel like doing? Now that there's no expectations, nothing to do, no one to attend to, what do you feel like doing for yourself today? It can be as simple as taking a nap, or as extravagant as traveling somewhere different. But do visualize yourself within this moment where time has frozen simply for you. As selfish as it may seem, what can you do for pure joy and pleasure? And once you have visualized what you truly want to do for yourself within this time, within this vision, repeat these affirmations after me. I am worthy of setting boundaries for myself. I am worthy of setting boundaries for myself. I am worthy of doing things I enjoy. I am worthy of doing things I enjoy. I give myself permission to answer at a later time. I give myself permission to answer at a later time. I am surrounded by pleasure and joy. I am surrounded by pleasure and joy. Life is not a race, but the gift of a long, steady journey. Life is not a race, but the gift of a long, steady journey. The moment I am in is an opportunity to create my own unique joy. The moment I am in is the opportunity to create my own unique joy. The moment I am in is an opportunity to create my own unique joy. I am worthy of time off. I am worthy of time off. Others' opinions do not define me or my life. Others' opinions do not define me or my life. Comparison does not exist in my mind or in my heart. Comparison does not exist in my mind or in my heart. I choose my personal joy over the fear of missing out. I choose my personal joy over the fear of missing out. I am enough. I am enough. I am exactly where I am meant to be. I am exactly where I am meant to be. And in this space where time has stopped for you, allow yourself to recognize that in reality, time is still going. The world is still turning. And congratulations, you have stopped time within yourself. Recognize that you have stopped time by choosing to see it stop for yourself. You have created the opportunity for you, recognizing that consistently going or comparing your life to others is like trying to rush the sun and the moon, trying to compare each molecule of light on the surface of water. You are so much more than the time that you have allotted yourself in your own mind. And instead of fearing that time, begin to take advantage and plant seeds of joy. And with that, set an intention that is meant to manifest this joy of missing out and taking pleasure in you simply being you. Good luck, my friend. May you consistently and continuously choose joy over fear. And namaste.